Namaskar. Myself Dr. Ajay Manju, Department of Panchkarma, National College of Ayurveda and Hospital, Barwada. Dear students, today we are going to learn about Pindasved or Patra Pindasved. Introduction. What is Pindasved? Acharya Chakrapani gave the definition Pinda Rupa Sveda Pindasveda. As all of us represent the miniature nature, all the elements in the nature are represented within us in the microform. That is called Suksham Prakriti. The nature is called as Sthul Prakriti. For example, according to Ayurveda, the wind is represented in the body in the form of Vat or Vayu. The fire is represented in the form of Pit and water is represented in the form of Kapha. There are many such comparisons which have been done between the Suksham Prakriti and Sthul Prakriti within us. When these microelements are imbalanced, we replace them or balance them by using the elements or macroelements or Sthul Prakriti elements. This forms the secret of Ayurvedic treatment. We bring about a balance in the micro nature of our body by making skillful use of macro elements of the nature. The key is best utilization of nature in psychosomatic healing. Almost all of the medicines in Ayurveda are derived from the nature. It includes medicines used for oral consumptions and also those used for the treatment of Panchkarma or called detoxification treatment and external therapies. Patra Pindasveda is one of the best examples within which we use herbal drugs or leaves of medicinal plants obtained from the nature for external treatment to heal pains and related conditions and to strengthen and rejuvenate joints, muscles and soft tissues. Pattarapinda Sveda is a form of sweating or Svedan. This includes fermentation, sudation, steaming treatment and etc. Svedan, which you have already learnt from my colleague teacher, Svedan is the fermentation, sudation, sweating including treatment, steaming treatment is a specialized treatment of Ayurveda which helps in providing unparalleled relief in the pain, swelling, stiffness associated with disease like Amvat, rheumatoid arthritis, Snigdvat, Sandhigatvat, Katishul, etc. Patra Pindasved या Pindasved is a form of Svedan which is included under the category of Pindasved bolus fermentation. In this procedure we use heated or oil fried leaves of medicinal plants tied in a bolus to provide heat to the pain affected joints or body parts, especially in the disease like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, lumbar spondylosis, cervical spondylosis, musculoskeletal pains, myalgia, etc. Before going into the details about other methods and how it is done, I would like to give a brief introduction to Svedan in few words. What is Svedan? Acharya Charka in described very beautifully Stamba Goram Sheet Ghanam Svedanam Svedkarkam in Sutrasthana. Svedan is a treatment procedure in which sweat is induced by application of heat and warmth in the form of steam or by bringing the body parts in contact with heated medicaments, powder, leaf, processed rice, etc. made into a bolus potly. Svedan provides relief from stump, stiffness and catches, Gaurav, heaviness, and sheath coldness in body or body parts. Svedan is said to be the best form of treatment in expelling morbid Vat and Kapha and also destroying the disease manifested due to morbid Vat and Kapha. Svedan is usually done after Abhyang and Snehan. Administered Snehan is what is Snehan? Administration of medicated oil and ghee for oral consumption in metered dose as per the pre-treatment procedure for cleansing treatment like Vaman, therapeutic vomiting, and Vrechana, therapeutic purgation. After Swedan, the body starts sweating, we feel lighter and energetic. The cells get activated and flush the toxins away. The cellular metabolism improves and we feel light and at ease. There are many types of Swedan as explained in the Ayurvedic text. There are about 13 types of Sagni Swed, which include treatment administered by procedures involving utilization of fire or heat materials, and 10 types of Niragni Swed that includes treatment where in the fire or heat materials are not utilized. Example, sleeping by covering the body with the thick blanket until we sweat. Agni Swed can be done in two ways, Ruk Swed and Snigdh Swed. All of these procedures have already explained by my colleague teachers, which you have already learnt. Every form of Sweda can provide relief from pain, stiffness and swelling, but their area of utilization and the disease and the pathological conditions in which they are administered or preferred will differ. In this context, I would limit my discussion to only Pinda Sweda. There are special forms of Pinda Sweda. Valuka Swed, Bhusa Pinda Swed, Chira Pinda Swed, Churna Pinda Swed, Patra Potli Swed, Jambira Pinda Swed, Anda Swed, Shastik Sali Pinda Swed. There are some few journal rules for doing Pinda Swed. One is, it should only done after internal Snehan, external Snehan, and in Kafrogi Snehan is not needed. Purokaram, what is Purokaram for this Pinda Swed? It should only be done after the digestion of previously consumed foods. Otherwise, arm condition will establish in the body and it will aggravate the symptoms. It should be done after the proper evacuations of bowels, otherwise Vata will aggravate. Purokram, Thalam and Abhyang. What is Thalam? थलम है सुटेबल ऑयल्स की हम इसमें एप्लीकेशन करते हैं मिक्सड विद आम्लक कुक्ड विद तक्कर एंड निम्ब्राउथ एरेंडम एंड रासनादी चूर्णम. क्षीर बला एंड कचूर आदि चूर्णम, रासनादी चूर्णम. अभ्यंग, इट शुड बी डन ऑन होल बॉडी, पाम, सोल एंड हेड. कर्णपूर्णम विद एप्रोप्रिएट ऑयल. Some more, Chirbala, Avarti and Kachuradi Churna, Dhanvantram Tel, Rasnadi Churna and Nimbu Savras, Namnit and Bala Churna. Thalam is applied on the vertex to protect the Indriyas from the intensive heat and also to prevent the Kapha Pitta Prakopa in the Sira. Samyak Swin Lakshana. You have already learnt these Lakshanas. But I will try to recall these for you. Adequate sweating, relief from coldness, relief from pain, relief from stiffness, relief from heaviness, softness of the body. Paschatkaram, soft massage of the body, reset the blanket, bath in warm water after half an hour. Pathya Ahar according to the condition, avoid व्यायाम on that day, follow Snehukta Achar Vidhi. What are the journal rules? Mridyu, Madhya and Mahan. मृत्यु अंग स्क्रोटल एरिया पे करना चाहिए. मृत्यु पिंड स्वेद स्क्रोटल एरिया. द सॉफ्ट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द बॉडी, पेरिकार्डियम, आईज. महान जो मध्यम जो है वो है इंग्वाइनल एरिया के अंदर देना चाहिए. और महान जो है अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, जो होल बॉडी बच गई उसके इनके अलावा.